Join me as I take on Florida's most thrilling roller coasters at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay and see if I can handle all the adrenaline. If you're a roller coaster enthusiast like me, then you know that Busch Gardens Tampa is a thrilling destination that's not to be missed. With its world-class rides, animal exhibits, and African-themed surroundings, the park is a must visit for any thrill seeker. And let me tell you, the excitement is real. From the moment you step into the park, you can feel the energy coursing through your veins. So it is currently 9:54 a.m. from where I live a little south of the Disney area. It's going to take me an hour and 7 minutes to get down to Tampa. That depends on a lot of different things, mostly the traffic. It's a straight shot down I-4. If you've ever heard a local talk about I-4, then you know it is feast or famine when it comes to that road, because it can get backed up and it can happen quickly. It's saying I'm going to get to Busch Gardens at 11:02. The park opens today at 10 a.m. Let's see how fast we can make it. I've been to Busch Gardens plenty of times and I'm always faced with the same dilemma. Which coaster to go on first? Is it going to be Iron Gwazi? Is it going to be Montu? Am I going to do one of the breakneck ones at first, or am I going to work my way into it? There is a brand new coaster in the park today, Phoenix Rising. It's a new family coaster. I haven't ridden that one yet. I think today I'm going to start with one of my favorites, and I'm going to go over here to Cheetah Hunt because that seems like a really good way to start the day. One of the only attractions that costs additional money if you're not a pass holder here is the Sky Ride. It's the little gondola ride. It goes over about half of the distance of the park. It is a $5 ride. If you are a pass holder, it is included, so it doesn't cost you anything extra. It is a nice little ride. It's rarely open. It has not been open much at all since 2020. For $5, I'm not sure it's worth your money. If you're a pass holder like I am, of course, it's a good way to get some air, get a higher vantage point. It will take you across the park. It is an efficient form of transportation if you're trying to get from the back of the park to the front. So we're gonna continue on through the park. I want to get over to Phoenix Rising, and I also want to get over to Serengeti Flyers, the new-ish swing ride that they have. I really enjoy it. We're gonna try and see if we can get on that. We're gonna head in the direction of Pantopia, which is the area of the park where the new Phoenix Rising coaster is. So I just got off of Phoenix Rising. I have to say that was quite a surprise. I expected that to be like, sort of like Penguin Trek, or maybe even Freedom Flyer at Fun Spot in Orlando. But that was a little bit more intense. It was a really short ride. I bet the whole ride from the time you left the station to the time you got back, probably 30 seconds, 40 seconds tops. But it was really thrilling. It is a family style coaster. I think some younger kids could appreciate it, but it might be a little scary for the real young. But yeah, what a great addition. I was not expecting to feel anything out of that, and I was really pleasantly surprised. So as I walk through the park, I'm always struck by the variety of thrills that are available in this park. You have all the way from family-friendly coasters like Cobra's Curse to the very intense floorless coaster, Kumba. Each ride has its own special features and they're all unique. So it's no wonder that it's hard to choose your favorite here at Busch Gardens. You want to make sure to get the most out of your day. You're going to have to do a little research in advance, know which rides you want to ride, figure out which ones are the most important, and attack those first. This is a huge park. Like I've mentioned, it's doable in a day, but if it's busy, you're going to have to be a little more strategic about your day. But obviously Busch Gardens is known for their zoological exhibits as well, their animals. And the There's tons to do here. If you didn't want to ride a single ride, but you wanted to come see all the animal exhibits, I still think you'd have a full day here. There's plenty to do, and I've done videos on that. I'm going to link right up here to a playlist I've done on Busch Gardens. Some of those focus on the ride, some of those focus on the animals. You can make members of your party happy, whether they're thrill ride people or whether they want to come up and see the animals. There's a couple of really good interactive exhibits as well. So just remember, there's something here for everybody. If you're a roller coaster fan, this is the alpha coaster in this park. This is Iron Gwazi. We've talked at length about this coaster here on this channel. This coaster is an RMC. It's a Rocky Mountain construction coaster. It was retrofitted from the existing Gwazi dual track coaster. This one is a wooden coaster with a steel track. It is an intense ride. It's got multiple inversions. It is not for the faint of heart. If you like coasters and you like intense and you like big and you like fast, this is your coaster. So that's going to bring me to the end of our day here at Busch Gardens. So this was not an all-encompassing video today, and this was not a coaster rank video. I've done both of those kinds of videos, but today I just wanted you to see if you are a roller coaster person or you are a thrill park junkie, then Busch Gardens is definitely worth the day drive from Orlando to come down here and ride these rides. So there you have it, folks. Busch Gardens Tampa is a must visit for any thrill seeker. Whether you're a seasoned coaster enthusiast or just looking for a fun day out, Busch Gardens Tampa has something for everyone. What's your favorite roller coaster here at Busch Gardens? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more theme park content and roller coaster reviews. Guys, as always, thank you for coming along with me. If never lost, then never found. So go get lost.